What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my slime video, and we are back. And when I say we, I mean you and me and my slime. And today we're going to be fixing a clear slime and fixing it into a thick and glossy. Oh, and if you're asking, this is Phoebe from the future. Bye. Guys, I already know everything that just happened in the video. So stay tuned and watch the video. Okay guys, we got the mixer. This is going to be what we're using for the mixer because I don't have anything else I can use because all the rest I used to eat. So let's mix. Mix a doo-doo. Actually, don't need the mixer right now. I'll just use my spoon. I'll just use my hands. This is the texture we are going for. So let's just put it in. And it makes the right color I want. So this is going to be amazing. So let's mix it. I'm just going to keep adding more lotion while I'm mixing it. It's still like this. You need more lotion. So let's see. Let's mix it. Mix it. Apparently it's supposed to make it stretchy. Okay, it's starting to get lighter. And it's starting to get more stretchy. But still very icky. Should I use activator? No, I think it will make it more sticky. Now it's sticky, and that's a good thing. Because we can use the lotion as the glue. Since I don't have. I think it's working. Stretch. Let's see. Oh, so apparently it works. You see, it's starting to get lighter. I don't really like the glitter, but I have nothing. I can't like take it out. And no glitter is sticking to me because every day the glitter always sticks to me. So I like lotion. Thank you. This lotion is helping my slime super much. So much, I mean. Now it's more stretchy, but it's still very rippy. So we need to add more lotion. We need lotion to smooth it out. Smooth it out. Yes, I love this color. Yeah, but it's not looking like how I wanted it to look like. It's getting lighter. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. Now let's add some alcohol. Ooh, that is exactly what I wanted. Yeah, but I don't like the color that much. I want the lavender. I'm going for lavender. Let's put some lotion. More lotion. I'll just keep adding lotion. And no more activator. The activator, no. Lotion, yes. Later I might add the activator. Who knows? Starting to go exactly how I planned it to go. Yes. The lotion is helping it a lot. Now it's getting more stretchy. And more sticky, exactly. When you add your lotion, it will start to get sticky. It's supposed to start to get sticky, and then so it's gonna start to get like sticky, and then it will start to get stretchy, and then when it gets too sticky, you can add alcohol. Okay. Not yet. I'm not gonna add alcohol yet. Because I don't think it's time. This is so good. We need more lotion. We need more of this lotion.
Not as like, not gifted. Katulad si Carly, gifted siya sa mga I'm not gonna compete with you kasi hindi namin yun.
Guys, so you have to wait.
And I'm happy for Carly. Kayo na lang, kayo mag-compete. Ano kayo?
So keep mixing.
That's why ako, we just on one thing.
So I'm just gonna keep mixing. Mix.
Yeah.
Keep mixing. So I added more lotion, guys. Stretch. It's getting more stretchy, exactly how I wanted it. And there's barely glitter on my hands now. So this is amazing. We need more lotion. Ta-da.
Yeah.
So guys, whatever happens, you just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing, guys, and just keep mixing it with your hands. Your hands is way better than using your mixer or whatever you're using. So I'm just gonna add a little activator. Now this is starting to be exactly how I planned it to be. More lotion. We need more lotion. Yeah. Guys, so we need more lotion, and just keep adding lotion until it becomes as light as you want. Yep. Just keep mixing and mixing. Okay, wait. Oh, great. My mixer fell. Oh, yeah. Exactly how I planned it to be. Okay. Guys, anyway. So keep mixing. This is exactly how light I wanted it to be, but I needed more stretchy because it's still kind of rippy. So let's get a piece, just this much of a piece. Let's add the rest in your bowl or cup. Then add the slime. Then put the slime in here. If your slime is too sticky and you don't like it, you should add activator, eye contact solution, or you can just use alcohol. If you're adding lotion and it's super sticky, don't add eye contact solution, activator, or alcohol. Don't add, because if it's sticky, that just means it's getting smoother and it's getting more stretchy, and your plan is probably and the lotion is doing its job and it's working. Comment down below what problems your slime has, so I'll make a video and show you how to fix it from DIY. But for me, if my slime was too sticky, I would just use alcohol because I don't have any eye contact solution or activator. So just use alcohol. I'm using the BTS alcohol that is scented. Yeah. And so yeah. If you want your slime to be more moisture, smooth, and more stretchy, because it's very rippy, add the lotion, a lot of lotion. And if you want to make your slime lighter, just like what I am doing, this slime is starting to is perfect now. Now I need to mix it with the other slime with my mixer this time. And now let's add some alcohol. Now let's mix it. Or it's better to use your hands. There we go. This is starting to work very well. Now you can add a little alcohol on the way while you're mixing. If your slime is already perfect, if you want to change color of your slime, you can use highlighters. Highlighters is very good, but sometimes highlighters don't mix because your slime is already meant to be this color. Or you can use paint. Paint, that will probably work. But for me, did you know, when I just bought the slime, it was a clear orange. Yes, a clear orange. And I just kept adding like a lot of purple ink, like for my marker. I did use highlighters. I used other markers. Ta-da! Now my slime is perfect. So I'm gonna put some more lotion because I want it to be more moisture and smooth. Ooh. Now your hands, if you have glitter slime, your hands will probably have glitters. A while ago it didn't. I don't know if that's glitters. Yep, that's glitters. This hand has glitter, this don't. Because this is the hand I use for all the lotion. Add more activator, aka alcohol. I'm starting to run out of alcohol, but I still have a lot in the kitchen, and there's a purple one that's also scented there. So, yeah. Now mine has a scent. Well, it's from the lotion. I'm just gonna keep mixing it and mix. And now I think I just made a thick and glossy slime. Or, yeah, this is a, yeah, I think I made a thick and glossy, which I love thick and glossies. It's so fun. So, yeah. Dun 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 dun. Okay. So let's keep stretching. I'm just gonna keep stretching.
It's okay, open the vacuum.
Huh?
Okay?
Yeah, I'm just gonna edit around it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Boom. Okay, I definitely made a thick and glossy slime. I love this thick and glossy. I never played with a thick and glossy before. If you're asking what's my favorite slime, probably a thick and glossy. Probably a thick and glossy. This slime. I love this kind of slime. This is amazing. I love thick and glossies, and I love water slimes. So water slimes is amazing. It's like so jiggly and stuff. Those are my two winning favorites. Well, if I had to choose one, I'm sorry, water slime. I love thick and glossy. Thick water slime used to be my fave because because back then this is my first time playing with a thick and glossy that I made a while ago. I think it was like a memory dough slime. I don't know. It was like, yeah, a clear slime. It was a clear slime. It was a very glittery clear slime, and I just turned it purple with my friend, and then yeah. Now it's exactly how I want it to be. And it pops, and it makes good ASMR. But I don't know if the thick and glossy make bubbles. Let's see. Nope. My thick and glossy does not make bubbles. Okay. So guys, whenever I'm making a slime video, I'm gonna always say, because you know in my usual normal videos, I always say, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're back. And when I say we, I mean you and me. So on my slime videos, I'm gonna say, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel, and wait, no. I need to keep thinking, because I'm gonna say, what's up you guys, welcome back to my slime video, and we're back. And when I say we, I mean you and my slime. And my slime and I, and okay guys, so just keep stretching. That's activator. So I'm going to use it as activator, guys. Has a great smell. I love it. This is my most favorite slime I have ever made, because all my other slimes are failures. So this is my absolute new favorite slime. I absolutely love. Thank you. Thank you guys. So this is, thanks for watching, and if you want to learn some more slime hacks, some more slime DIY hacks, comment down below what you want to learn, and I'll try to figure out like some new DIY hacks. So guys, peace out, slime up.